Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi para tukang tengok semua. Okay, good morning. Okay, for today, I have a job for the polo sedan, and then the issue is the oil engine is leaking. Okay, I just open it on for the cover. I want to change the gasket. Here is the gasket, and then I remark the problem for the leaking is that gasket is being a while. This one is the original gasket. Okay, I open it all. I manip the filter for the adapter, and then I take out the mounting, and then just release the alternator and the aircon compressor. Here it is the aircon and then the alternator. Okay, for my second issue is the oil filter. Oil filter has a problem because before I open it, I got this problem. I can take off the oil filter out by my hands, not with my special tool, just only by my hand. I don't know if the filter has a problem for the trip, because before this my friend just put it and then he tied it very well, same like the others, but now okay, here you go. Okay, the job is I will change the oil filter. I will clean back my glue, my silicone, and then I will change the gasket, timing chain gasket. Okay. Okay, I'm cleaning up my glue, my silicone with the only thinner. I just put it like that, then I'm rub. Just want to take out the oil, the engine oil that stick it in the safe surface. Surface. Okay, done. Now I will blow out the dust, and then I will change back. Okay. And now for the engine, okay, I will clean up this one for the oil sump. I will clean out all the mess, all the rubber, the silicone, and then clean up here all the surface of the cover of the arm, and then the block here, and the back one is here and here. Okay, you have to clean it up. Okay, I will use my scraper and then I will clean up all. Okay, here for the new gasket, I will take from my boss, and then I will put it back. I will replace the old gasket. Here, the old gasket, I will replace for the brand new one, same original one. And I will use this one, just like silicone, just the black silicone. just a bit. I will use it on here, the John one cover and the heat cylinder, and then heat cylinder with block. Four place I will place it the silicone here, here, two, and the back is two. One here, two is here. That's all. And then on the oil sump all over it. After I put four places, I will place it the gasket, and I will put on the bottom one, and then I will place back the timing head, timing cover, timing chain cover. Okay, I put here, down there, and the back there, and down there. See? The silicone one. Now I will twist it one. Okay. The tricky one is here, the start. And then at the back one, here, see? Oh, no, it's okay. Now my video is in English. You can give any info in my video. You are my video. You are my video too. Okay, top 30 Newton, and this one top is 50 Newton. Oh, 30, only 3 is 50. Okay, done job for today. Replacement timing chain gasket. Okay, see you another video. Okay, bye. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.